How to fix TikTok shop not working. So if you want to fix the TikTok shop not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok. And let me tell you one thing, that TikTok shop allows creators like you to showcase your favorite product. When you join, you'll be able to share products that people can buy directly from your videos. To facilitate your connection with sellers and agencies, your basic info, your live and video data, and relevant performance data will be shared with sellers and agencies through Creator Marketplace. So if you want to have the TikTok shop, or if you want to participate, then account must be in a good standard. You need to follow the community guidelines and meet and maintain eligibility criteria, which will include having 1,000 followers. So if you don't have 1,000 followers, then you won't be able to have the TikTok shop. And the next thing is be at least 18 years old. So once you go with the profile, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and here you will have an option of TikTok shop, or you can go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you will have an option of TikTok shop if you have 1,000 followers, and after that you can simply tap on it and then you can access your TikTok shop. But if you have 1,000 followers and if you don't find that option, then you might need to update your application. So go with your Play Store or your App Store, anything that you're comfortable with, and then go with search. And under search, you need to search for TikTok. Once you've searched here, you will have your TikTok, so you can simply go and update your TikTok, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your TikTok shop not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.